the de facto and the de jure President of the Republic of Uganda. The different clans want to own you. The different institutions want to own you. Here I present to speak to us, the independent, the most learned, the most inspirational, the one and only, Obini, Ngobi, Musimbuzi, His Excellency Robert Chagulanyi Sentamu Haji Swaibu.
People power, our power, NUP, and everywhere. Thank you very much.